It found a new way to help ADHD, and it's not about adding more stimulation. So, this 2025 study looked at something called brain noise. Think of brain noise like background static, too many signals firing at once, and this makes it harder to focus on what actually matters. So, researchers focused on a gene called Homer1, which helps brain cells communicate with each other, especially in areas involved in attention. So, what they did is used animal models and carefully lowered one version of this specific gene during development. And then they watched how they behaved and how attention tasks were affected. And what they found was really interesting. When this gene activity was reduced, the brain became less noisy, more organized, and attention actually improved. What's important here is that this wasn't about making the brain work harder. It was more about helping the brain filter information better. And if you have ADHD, you know that there's a lot of stimulation going around. You're bringing in everything, all of the noises, all the light, all of the sounds. So, this is an idea of filtering that information better. And also supports the idea that this isn't a lack of intelligence or effort in ADHD. It's that there's too many things competing for attention at the same time. So it's important to remember that this research is early and it's not a treatment yet, but it points to a future where ADHD support might focus on calming neural overload, not necessarily boosting stimulation, which can be nice for people who don't get benefit from typical ADHD medications.